Welcome to had6 channel. In this video, we will look into repeal. 17 verbs with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Annul. Which means declare invalid an official agreement, decision, or result. Annul. For example, the European Court annulled the decision. Number 2. Abolish. Which means formally put an end to a system, practice, or institution. Abolish. For example, the tax was abolished in 1977. Number 3. Override. Which means use one's authority to reject or cancel a decision, view, etc. Override. For example, the courts will ultimately override any objections. Number 4. Invalidate. Which means deprive an official document or procedure of legal validity because it contravenes a regulation or law. Invalidate. For example, a low turnout invalidated the ballot. Number 5. Countermand. Which means revoke or cancel an order. Countermand. For example, an order to arrest the strike leaders had been countermanded. Number 6. Abrogate. Which means repeal or do away with a law, right, or formal agreement. Abrogate. For example, the government has formally abrogated the 1977 treaty. Number 7. Withdraw. Which means discontinue or no longer provide something previously supplied or offered. Withdraw. For example, the party threatened to withdraw its support for the government. Number 8. Overrule. Which means reject or disallow by exercising one's superior authority. Overrule. For example, Chief Judge Moran overruled the government's objections. Number 9. Rescind. Which means revoke, cancel, or repeal a law, order, or agreement. Rescind. For example, the court has the power to rescind a bankruptcy order. Number 10. Nullify. Which means make legally null and void. Nullify. For example, the ANC warned that it would nullify the legislation. Number 11. Void. Which means declare that something is not valid or legally binding. Void. For example, the contract was voided. Number 12. Revoke. Which means officially cancel a decree, decision, or promise. Revoke. For example, the men appealed and the sentence was revoked. Number 13. Quash. Which means reject as invalid, especially by legal procedure. Quash. For example, the Court of Appeal may quash the sentence. Can you think of other examples? Please share them in the comment section below. See you in the next video.